So guys, by the way, we are actually hiring for a multimedia artist. You're gonna see here the description, yung mga qualifications, kung ano yung kailangan. And then if you're interested, please send us your resume or portfolio through our Viber that we're gonna list down below on the description. So yung mga papalit na sa akin, kasi medyo tumatanda na ako dito sa video na to. Ayun, just kidding. Okay, but then again, we're looking for a multimedia artist. If you're interested, please send your resume or your portfolio here on our Viber number. Thank you. Now we have here the cheapest i3, which is a gateway. Ngayon pa lang nagkaroon si Laptop Factory ng gateway product. Actually, this gateway was originated in America noong 1985. And then, times goes by, nung pagdating ng year 2007, this was purchased by Acer. So that is why, mostly, ang Acer na gumagawa ng mga gateway products. So katulad ng BMax, pati ng Chewy, so bago lang din sa Laptop Factory, but they actually perform well because of their price and their specifications. So tingnan natin tong gateway na to, kung anong meron sa unit na ito. And of course, after this video, we'll be giving this wireless keyboard and mouse. So there will be 2 winners. Please stay tuned after the video. So let's proceed and unbox this gateway. By the way, this comes with 3 colors, black, blue, and a purple. So once you open it, it comes with a white box. So definitely this will be the charger. Charger is 19 volts. That is 1.3 amperes. And we got here a printed material and the unit itself. So guys, this is the Gateway Ultra Slim Notebook. I opened the black variant, and my first impression on this unit, of course, it's pure black. It doesn't have any accent, like any lining. It's just simply black. So it's a plastic-made material. It's not aluminum. So ports na tayo. On this side, we got here a Kingston lock, and then the power socket, a USB 3.0, an HDMI port, and a USB Type-C or 3.1. And then on the other side, we got here a micro SD card, an audio combo jack, and another USB 3.0. Let's talk about the dimension of this unit. The width is 3.1 inch, the depth is 8.9 inch, and the height is 0.8 inch. The weight is 1.36 kilogram. And the viewing angle of this unit is somewhat of 130 degrees. And then underneath the chassis, you can actually open this. Probably you can upgrade the memory, or I'm not sure if this is an SSD, but we're gonna check that out later. So underneath of it, I also noticed the sticker of an i3. So this sticker is actually a sticker of an 11th gen. And then there's a Windows sticker here. And then on the unit itself, there's no sticker, but there's a logo of a tune by THX. So I think THX is known for its sound quality. Before we proceed to the specifications, I just want to remind you guys that pag isasaksak niyo yung charger, dapat sagad. It's actually charging on this state, but kailangan talaga yung sagad na sagad para nakalock, okay? And then, I also noticed that when you open this laptop, there's actually a cow on the desktop screen. That is why the logo of the gateway is like the skin of a cow. So I think this laptop is inspired by a cow. But let's proceed to the specifications, okay? The complete model is Gateway GWTN141-6. The processor is i3 11th Gen -1115G4. The base is 3 GHz and the turbo boost is 4.1 GHz. It's actually mataas ang base boost niya for a 3 GHz. So the memory of this laptop is a 4 GB memory with a speed of 3,200 MHz. Actually, mabilis yung speed ng memory niya. Compared to, you know, a 10th gen laptop that only runs 2933 sa Intel, and then sa Ryzen is I think mga 2,900. The storage of this is 128 SSD, so that's a solid state drive, and it's running an Intel Ultra HD graphics. The display is Full HD, so that's 1920 by 1080, and also an IPS display, meaning it will provide you a true color accuracy in all angles kung saan nyo tingnan. And the screen size is 14.1 inch. So I don't know bakit may 0.1 inch, but the standard laptop is 14 inch. The operating system is Windows 10, but it is upgradable to Windows 11. So right now, I'm testing the camera of this unit. This is running a 0.9 MP, wherein on the box, it's stated it's 1 MP. So what you're hearing right now is also the audio quality of this gateway. Keyboard feels, I was able to score 41 words per minute. And medyo nanibago ako sa pagta-type dito. Not sure kung medyo malalayo yung mga chiclet na mga unit na to. But one thing I noticed, medyo maiksi yung backspace niya compared sa mga ibang laptop. Tracking pad is actually malaki, hindi ganun kaliit. And there's actually a fingerprint sensor on the tracking pad. Fingerprint sensor can be used if you want to unlock the computer or you pay any credit cards using a fingerprint print sensor rather than typing a password. So the sound is powered by tuned by THX. So let's check the audio quality of this unit. It's not really that strong, and I can't even feel the bass sound of this unit. So sound quality is just fair. It's not really that wow factor. There you have it. So we already know the specification of this unit. Now let's open the chassis. Let's see if kung ano pa pwedeng i-upgrade dito sa laptop na to. Let's call our technician. So maraming salamat sa technician natin na nag-open ng chassis. Ang una ko na-notice dito that you could actually upgrade the SSD card of this unit. Currently, it's running a 128 SSD. Pwede ka magdagdag, pwedeng 256, 512. Even yung built-in yung SSD, pwede mo rin palitan. But that would be a hassle kasi nandun yung OS. So rather than changing this SSD, you just add an SSD here. And ang maganda dito, hindi mo na kailangan baklasin lahat ng unit na to para i-upgrade ang SSD. There's actually an extra slot here na tatanggalin mo lang yung dalawang screw and then mag-add ka ng SSD. Okay? And then there's actually a fan on this unit, so that's a good thing. Hindi katulad ng mga BMax or Chewy kasi wala silang mga fans. Well, it's because of Celeron. Upon checking here, mas maganda yung body niya compared sa mga BMax pati kay Chewy. So, kudos to Gateway on its body. So, the battery is here. The speakers nga pala is nasa harap ng unit na to, not like on other laptops na sa ilalim yung speakers. So, one thing that I noticed that the memory is on board 4GB, it's not upgradable. The processor is here. Nothing to add. So, itabi na natin to, and then let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. So, let's start with the pros. Ang unang pros of this unit is actually very affordable, and I will tell you the price later of this unit. As I mentioned kanina, this is actually the cheapest i3 that we have. Other pros on this unit, it comes with 3 colors, a black, a blue, and a purple. So, ang inopen natin is color black. And other pros of this unit, the storage is upgradable. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa service center para magdagdag ng SSD. Pwedeng ikaw na mismo ang magtanggal ng mga screws and then mag-add ng SSD. Now, let's continue on the cons. So, one of the cons that I notice here is the memory. The memory is only running in 4GB and it's not upgradable. Sana naman lang kahit 4GB yung memory na to, it's still upgradable. However, kahit naman 4GB yung memory na to, it's running an SSD and it's running an i3 11th gen. Pero not like sina BMax pati si Chewy na 8th gen lang. Ito kasi 11th gen eh. Of course, if the generation is higher, the processor, the speed is much higher. Napansin nyo kanina that the base boost is 3 GHz. So, yun yung napansin kong cons talaga dito. Yung memory niya is only 4GB. Also, medyo nakukulangan ako sa ports niya. At least, kahit pa anong tatlong USB 3.0 or yung standard USB. Kasi dalawa lang yun eh. Tapos isang Type-C. And lastly, the other cons na napansin ko dito. On the box, it says it's 1 MP. But upon checking, the settings is only 0.9 MP. And the quality of the camera is not really that good compared to branded laptop. So, sino ba ang target market itong unit na to? Dati kasi pag sinabi namin Celeron, yun yung mga for mga students. Well, actually, this laptop, this i3, is also ideal for students. It's because it's kasing mura siya ng mga branded na Celeron. Some photo editing and then some basic video editing and some basic games katulad ng mga dating Counter o yung dating Dota 1. There's actually a game installed on this unit. Hindi na namin tinest, but I think that game is not like a AAA game. About the price, actually we don't know the SRP of this unit yet. This is actually a new unit. We don't know the SRP of this unit yet, but we are only selling this for only 24,000. Kasi yung mga normal i3 namin na 11th gen, we're actually selling it around mga 30,000 and above, okay? But this one is only 24,000. If you already have this unit, you can actually comment down below and then tell us your feedback about this unit, if it is worth it ba or lugi ba, because it will help our other customers na bibili ng product na ito. So I already told you everything about this unit. So in case that you want to purchase this unit, this is available on our branches nationwide. We're gonna list the branches at the end of this video. And then, of course, home credit, Billease is actually applicable on this unit. And then we also do cash on delivery nationwide. And then after this video, we'll be announcing the winners of those wireless keyboard and mouse. Currently, we're on 32% yung nakasubscribe sa amin. So meaning to say, those are the people na may chances na manalo ng giveaway. So in order for you to win a giveaway, number 1, like our videos. Number 2, subscribe to our channel. And then number 3, of course, hit that notification bell in case na may bago kaming video, ma-notify agad kayo. Baka kayo yung manalo. And then as we promised, pagdating natin ng 100,000 subscribers, we'll be giving another laptop. We're not sure if it is a gaming laptop or not, but please stay tuned. So then again, I think I said everything on this unit. So then again, this is Dustin from Laptop Factory. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay na. Ah! Ba't gumugulong to? Ulit. Aray ko! Saka na. Isa ba? Hindi naman masakit. You know, gateway. Saan ba galing itong gateway na to? Actually, galing siya sa Cubao. Kaya tinawag na Cubao Gateway.